here it is. This would be face exfoliating scrub number 1. So what I have done, we have taken sugar, almost it's like 1 spoon of sugar, and then I'll be taking some honey, natural honey. Honey being antibacterial, it helps soothing your skin. So you can put honey here. And then you can add olive oil. So I'm using a regular olive oil. You can, if you don't have olive oil, you can always use almond oil, or you can also use coconut oil. It's up to you. So now I'll be adding olive oil, just 1 spoon. It is an antioxidant, and it helps you hydrating the skin also, and helps as a conditioning, and again it's very soothing, trust me. So this I have taken with sugar. You can also make this with coffee, you know, the coffee you have. And one more thing, I'm using white sugar. If you want, you can also use brown sugar. And now we're gonna mix it properly and apply on your face. So guys, by the time I wait for my skin for 2 minutes, we can just try on this coffee exfoliating scrub. As I told you, you can use honey as well. It's completely up to you. So I'll just show you how it will be. See, it's same, it's just like instead of sugar we are taking coffee. And once again, don't forget my friends, if you don't have white sugar, you can also use brown sugar. If you don't have sugar, then you can use coffee. And if you don't have olive oil, you can use almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you can always use coconut oil. And once again, this is a very simple you know, exfoliating scrub, and I suggest I use it twice in a week. So I think the same would work for you. So once you will use it, you will know how much it is effective, because it really works good on the dry skins. So yeah, so my 2 minutes are done.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye until my next video.